the top gels, you can use that as well. I'm not using probably no wipe top coat. Where's my no wipe top coat? Just add probably 3 drops of no white top coat. You can dilute the pigments so it make it like really jelly for you. Let's see, maybe 2. So it makes it jelly see-through. All right, let me see. You continue, and if you want to be like really see-through, you don't see much of the red, and you're doing like 1 or 2 coat, you can start seeing it. It just like looks more transparent right now. I did quite several different videos with the black colors. I don't know if I did. All right, so great. Let's check it out. I am going to using my twin tip brush. Is a thicker band, you can see that the brush, and then the thinner band that is the detail brush. Hello, Sarisa. All right. Let me check my brush for quick. I did clean my brush already, but I want to show you if after using a gel polish how you can clean your brush. So I dropped 1 drop of the top coat, and all you need to do is just get your brush and swirl just a top coat, gel top coat, not regular top coat, and you're gonna clean it, swirl it a little bit, and then you start seeing it is releasing a lot of dissolving is a lot of like residues there. You see that? And then now you just use a piece of papers and just make sure you wipe it off. Do not using alcohol or acetone, as it's gonna dry your brush out and the hair. So now let's see how much this one dilutes. I just spilled that. Did you see that? Oop, I get a little bit extra. Can you move? I just spilled my tray, but it's okay. I'm gonna clean it up later. It's happened every single time I'm going live, so it's okay. Not a big deal. So I just want to show like a jelly look, but also you can do this as a solid red. I just want to see how it's like jelly look. If you have a client doing want to do a glass nails, so if you don't have jelly nails, you can do it this way as well. Great. Okay, now I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds. Hi Wanda, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in, love. Hi Nuna, how are you? Oh, awesome, Cece. Great, so fabulous. If you want to do one more coat, you can. Let's see, try one more and see how it turned out for us. It did good. It doesn't make it look like really solid. It's still see-through. Okay, I'm gonna cure this. If you cure in it, full cure for 60 seconds. And now I am going to wipe off the residues on my brush. You can see how much is in my brush because the pigment is so pigmented. And I'm gonna using that top coat that I using earlier, and now I'm gonna clean my brush. So that's how you're gonna clean all the brush with the gel painting. You see that how residues are in the brush? You can continue to clean until your brush is gonna release and it doesn't have any more pigments on your brush. Your brush should be good. It's good to keep your brush really nice and clean. It will last you a long time. I have one of the brushes I got. It's really good and long time. It keep for almost 3 years now. Well, I'm using a lot for my crystal placements and a lot of other art as well. So just one things about the twin tip brush I love is after you clean this, you see that another nice wipe, and you continue until you see this it doesn't have any more pigments and your brush is really nice and clean. But it's nice things about this is have the cap, so I always put the cap right back on. It's not gonna be like ruins at all using this. So I'm gonna put this polish on the side, and I'm go ahead and put the no wipe top coat again, and cure for 60 seconds. There you go. 60 seconds. And next we're gonna using the pigments, and also we are going to using a gel painting. I am using a gel painting. Usually you can using gel painting on the pot as well as the gel painting on the bottle. It's one thing about I like is because it's precision brush. I'm gonna show you. Really long stripe brush. It can have cool details, and I love this how if you're doing your French on the client's toenails or fingernails now, if you're doing it with the gel French nail services, this is really easy and like efficiency. You can do it with no time, and then you can apply the pigments on any other pigments. It gives the clients a neon look. So this is dry completely. So I'm just gonna draw some cute roses. Just put the center, and then if you're first time doing cover drawing roses like this, just make sure you like it's really simple. If you see me do it, it's gonna be super simple, just like drawing like a double C or a croissant look or half moon, however you would imagine, and then you're gonna do it right in there. Make sure you do the top coat first before you paint this, because if you put the pigments on, you want to have it stick on your flower roses, not on your nail surface. It's really cool that this brush is so much easier. Well, I did twin tip brush before, but this is even fun, and it's a little bit thinner density than gel painting in a pot. So even if you're a beginner, it can absolutely easy to achieve this look. How's everyone doing on Monday? Hope you have a great weekend, and hope you have a great day today. I'm so excited to have so many cool ideas that to sharing with you every day. Really excited, and can you move that one over there? Hey Mary, hi Brad, how are you? In front, I guess. I can read both in front. This is really simple. It's a and with this nails, if you want to do like crystal placements after that, you can. If you don't want to, absolutely looks great as well. I think it's good. I was thinking of put some crystal on it. We'll see. I am going to cure this for 15 seconds. If you're happy with this, we are going to cure this for 15 seconds, and we will apply the pigments on this. The reason we cure for 15 seconds is just so then it get enough of the tacky layer for the gel painting, so then when the pigments grip the best on the surface. You can still curing in like 60 seconds, but it's not gonna grip like really good in like 15 seconds like you're doing chrome. So let's do 15 seconds and then see how it's gonna turn out. I'm just trying to, okay.